Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to install DeepSeek on Mac. Now, before you attack me and tell me that this video is clickbait, I know that I'm using Windows right now, but it is actually the same when you do it on Mac. But I will show you a different step to make it always visible in your dock for Mac. So first you have to go and open Chrome browser. It's important to be Chrome browser. Then you should search for DeepSeek AI. After that, it will show you all these things. Just scroll down till you find here the www.deepseek.com. And now it will ask you to log in using your Google account, or if you have another account on DeepSeek. And don't worry guys, it's completely free. You just have to click on Start Now, and here it will show you this page. And now here on the top right side, you'll have these three dots in Chrome browser. You just have to click on it, then hover over this option right here, Cast, Save and Share. Then choose Install Page as App. After that, it will show you this page right here. You just have to click on Install. Then here, as you can see, you have it as an application down below right here. You can simply right click on it, then click on Pen to Taskbar, and this will save it as an application. And when you go to the desktop, you can also have it here as an application shortcut. And when you are on the Mac, you will just have to hover over it in your dock, just like so. Then hover over Options, and now you'll have to choose Keep in Dock. But if you are using the Windows, you will have to right click on it, then click on Pen to Taskbar. Once you click on Pen to Taskbar, it will just be displayed just like so, and now you have it as an application. You can access it smoothly and very fast without even the need to go and open Chrome or open any browser, then search for it, or have it in a pin tab on your Chrome. No, by this way, you have it as an application. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.